Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is December 13th, 2022. Today, grammar word game. 10 questions. It will start easy. We're using the Svano Vocabulary 8000. Our vocabulary school is now open. Please see our website. Let's begin. Number 1. We will walk the lake. The lake is quite small. It's kind of like a circle. So you will start here and go like this. You will finish where you began. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Around. Around. We'll walk around the lake. Number 2. I have equals I don't have anything. Nothing. I have nothing equals I don't have anything. But we usually say I don't have anything. Number 3. You are the intelligent student in the school. This is like maximum or highest. Most. You are the most intelligent student in the school. We also use it like this. Most of the students are good students. This means more than 50%. Will Jennifer's son start college? This is for timing, asking, question. When. We don't pronounce the H. We just say when. When will Jennifer's son start college? Bob will not play tennis tomorrow. We only say this about 5% of the time. 95% of the time we say, do you know? This answer is 4 letters. It has an apostrophe, and the first letter is a W, and the second letter is an O. Won't. Bob won't play tennis tomorrow. We say almost all the time, 95% of the time. Number 6. The cat is the house. This means the cat is not on the grass. It's not on the driveway. The cat is not outside the house. Inside. The cat is inside the house. It's not outside. We are walking the river. This one has an S in brackets because sometimes we say it and sometimes we don't. This means the river is in front of us. We're walking in the direction of the river. Toward. And we also say towards. We are walking toward the river. We are walking towards the river. The price is $10. Tax. If you don't know what tax means, please stop the show and check the dictionary. This word is similar to with. Maybe the price is $9.75 and the tax is 25 cents. So altogether, the price is $10, including. The price is $10, including tax. Number 9. This car is $10,000. This word has many different ways to use it, so please see your dictionary for this one. This means the value of the car is $10,000. If somebody wanted to buy it, they would have to pay that much. Worth. Worth. This car is worth $10,000. Worth is also in many idioms, so please see your dictionary. Number 10, the last one. Jennifer is very nice. Her father. This means her father is not nice. She is different from her father. Unlike. Jennifer's very nice. Unlike her father. Her father is not nice. Like equals similar to. Unlike equals different from or different than. Game over. Did you have fun? That's wonderful. What was your score? What's your name? What language do you speak at home? Did you walk around a small lake before? What time are you gonna wake up tomorrow? What are you gonna do? Where are you gonna go? Very nice. You're doing very well. My name is Vinny. See you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.